dahil ubos na ang ating dog food na Missy. Ilang kilo na to? 20 kilo. Oh, good luck. Mamaya na lang yan. Tsaka sinira niya po yung kanyang higaan. At ito din, ginat-nat niya. So, let's go here. Tingnan na at mabigat yun. Tingnan mo. Hello! Lubong! Lubong-lubong na naman, oh. Lubong-lubong. So, wait a minute. Just wait. Wait, Missy. Kalahating kilo ko na. Ay. Woo! Oh, what is this? What is this? Hot cake. Tingnan nyo, ang bilis talaga. Ang bilis talaga ng bunganga niya. Oh. Yung pinagpawisan ko, gustong-gusto niya. Where is it? Where are you? Talaga, oh. To mommy. Yes? That's okay. It's mommy. Thank you. Give. Good girl, Missy. Give mama. Good girl. Yeah. Mama. Ma. Good girl. Good girl. Crate. Dahil sinira niya na sa loob. Tingnan natin. Ayan o. Nginat-ngat niya na to. So, we decided to buy a new one. Saan nga ba? Nawala. Pero dun sa loob may. So, ayan. Ay! Out there. And I put this one inside. What are you eating? Wow! Ang bulky. And you still want this one? Talaga naman. Ayan. So, I think nanibago na naman siya. Kasi masyadong bulky. Good girl. Look at her. New bed. Hello. How's your new bed? Yes? Do you like it? Yes? Nap time! Love, Missy! Yay!